Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome back to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Lottie London Ready Set Go setting powder. And I got this little sample size version in my February 2021 Ipsy glam bag. So if you have not seen that unbagging video yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I, for some reason, love trying out setting powders. I like to see what it does to my foundation, how it sets my under eye concealer, if there's any flashback. So we're going to be testing all of that out today. I got this in the shade True Translucent. And let's see, looks pretty white in the packaging here. And I like to let you know the retail value of the full-size version. Let's see. Which the MSRP of the full-size version of this product is only $7.49. So I like how affordable Lottie London is. Oh good. I like when I can take the sifter completely off. There was only 3 little holes in it, so I like that I can just use the powder open like this, but it definitely looks true white, you know, for the fun of it. It has the texture actually of like flour, like baking flour. It's very soft. But yeah, oh, you can see that is very white. So I'm definitely going to do a flashback test to test this out. I'm worried there's going to be flashback. So first things first, I am going to go ahead and apply my concealer. I wanted to apply that fresh so we can see if this setting powder helps prevent creasing. So I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I love this concealer. I wear it very often, but it creases very badly on me, so I always need to set it with a powder. So it is the perfect concealer to test out with this powder. I do already have my foundation on, in case you couldn't tell. I'm wearing the Purlisse BB Cream, which I also really like using this BB Cream foundation to test out setting powders because it has a little bit of sheen to it, so you can see how mattifying a setting powder is. All right, and now I figure for the fun of it, maybe I will go ahead and bake one of my under eyes. So I'm just tapping my sponge right into the powder. I am going to layer up the setting powder. All right, now hopefully this is not too drying on my under eye. But now on the other under eye, I'm just gonna kind of set it like normal. Kind of blend a light layer over my under eye. And I have to say that looks pretty brightening, and it actually looks very, very smooth on the under eye. Like, it doesn't look textured, no dryness. I love that it didn't darken my concealer. Some even translucent shades can kind of darken my under eye concealer because I use such a light shade. But wow, I'm actually very impressed by how beautiful that's looking on my under eye. Like, you can't even tell there's a powder there. No creasing at all right now. But so I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush. I am just loving the texture of this powder. I think because it is so soft, like I said, it feels like flour, baking flour. It looks so soft on the skin. Like, it gives this gorgeous airbrushed, soft, matte texture to the foundation. Oh my gosh. And still, no creasing, completely smooth under eye. I am so impressed by this right now. I really, really hope there's no flashback because This is so affordable, and my first impression right now, it's looking amazing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away that baking powder. And even with all of that baking, it still looks so smooth. It's not dry at all. It didn't leave any texture. Absolutely no creasing. Wow. But really, the under eye that I did not bake and the eye that I did bake look exactly the same. So there's no creasing whatsoever on the under eye that I did not bake with. So I feel like it's kind of personal preference. Like, you don't even need to bother baking with this because it does a perfect job of setting the under eye without baking. But so now I'm going to turn off my lights and take a flash photo to test the flashback. Okay, I'm feeling blinded right now by that flash. I can't really see anything, but I'll insert that picture right here. It's a bad picture, but what you can see is that there is no flashback. I am honestly surprised by that just because it's such a stark white powder, but I am so relieved and so happy. This powder is so good. I have no complaints, but I just love it even more because it's so affordable. Like, I keep looking at my under eyes and just being like, is there any creasing yet? Is there any texture or dryness? And it just looks so incredibly smooth and somehow hydrated. It's bright. I could go on and on about how amazing this setting powder is, but I think you get it. But definitely let me know your thoughts on the Lottie London setting powder in the comments down below if you have tried it out. And I want to try out even more Lottie London products. I've definitely tried out Lottie London lip products that I really liked, but I want to know in the comments down below any recommendations that you have from Lottie London, because gosh, it just gets me so excited about this brand. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.